Hello everyone, this video will demonstrate you how to change from one screen to another screen or from one activity to another activity. The final result will look like this. Next screen, we go to the next activity or screen. Previous screen, we go to the screen or activity before. Now let's get started. First, we create a new project. We click on a new project. We create a empty activity. We'll name it a new screen. Finish. Then our project will be created and we need to wait for to load. After it finish loading, we get the screen. Then we create a new activity first. Where we go, get a new empty activity like there. We call this screen 2. Where we go to the next screen. Then as you will see, we have two XML file. Let's give them specific type name in between 38 different text that is. Please finish that. This is called screen 1. So in screen 1 we see this text. Let's increase the size. Let's put it 33 visible. Yes. And for screen 2 we name it just not to waste time. I'm just going to copy it. Screen 2. Let's make it. This is screen 2. Good. Now I want to go from this screen to this screen. For this, let's create a button so that when click this button, we'll be able to go to the next screen. Button, sorry, button. With we give it with no with it's with we get this TDP with and give it a height of 30 dp and give it an ID of btn. Then we give it a name. Next screen. Next screen. I think we need to adjust this 100 and 50. Oops. Then let's make it. I want to make it below this. Let's place it below the screen 1. This is 0. Let me put this 0. Now I want to make below this text. Below this text we put this. I think we become below this text. Uh, let, let's continue reading it. It's in the margin. So we make it below. I think 100. Yes. So on clicking this button, we go to the next screen. No. Let's increase width and height for it to be visible. Well, yes, our button is good. Let's think that this button now. Yes, now it's good. Let's do the same for the next screen. So now, so that we can tag up this screen, I will make this text previous screen, and that gives this one ID of btn2. Good. Now let's start our coding. We have a button. Call it btn is equal to find view.id or that id dot btn. I will call it now. Like always, those messages. Let's get this here, paste it here. Now let add unclick center, set unclick let add unclick center when we click on it. Now we create a new intent. Let's call it Intent to get to new intent. Now we need to pass in two variables, the current clause and next clause. For the current clause, it is main activity dot clause. Sorry, dot this. A mistake. Then we pass the second variable, that is the next clause. Here it is. We name it screen two. I made mistake. I wrote free e. That's my body typing error. Now this is done. Now we need to store the next activity. So we need to write stored activity. Then we post our intent. This will just store the next activity. This will help us get the next activity. Now to get the previous activity, I will just copy this code and paste it here, and it is two, and this is screen 2, and this is main activity. And now we'll be able to toggle between these activities in this code. Now let us hit the feedback once the code finish loading. Now that the code has finished loading, let's test it. Next close. We go to the next screen, previous screen. We go to the previous screen. This will help us toggle between activities or screen. Thank you for watching.